Hi, this is Galit Gofarb. Thank you very much for joining me here today. Today I'm going to be talking about the health and anti-aging benefits of NAD+, otherwise known as nicotinamide adenosine dinucleotide. The NAD+ is a molecule that is found inside all of our cells. NAD+ controls many key processes in the body, including energy metabolism and cell survival. And some of the key roles of NAD+ include fixing damaged DNA. It is part of the stress response. It enables the body's natural internal clock, setting the circadian rhythm of our body. It helps in the conversion of food to energy, which makes it one of the most critical coenzymes in the human body. It improves the defense system in our cells. Now, levels of NAD+ production rise and fall depending on food intake, exercise, and the time of day. NAD+ is vital for our survival. However, the amount of NAD+ doesn't remain the same throughout our lives. And as we get older, levels of NAD+ decline, which is in part a process responsible for why we age. Now, NAD+ decline with age is the result of decreased production and increased usage of NAD+, mainly due to the accumulation of DNA damage with age that requires more NAD+. Now, NAD+ declines results in increased disease susceptibility, especially to age-associated chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, and mental disorders. Therefore, the maintenance of sufficient NAD+ production is vital for cell survival and function. In this video, I will talk about how NAD+ can support health and well-being and how to increase your levels of NAD+ also when aging. But first, in short, how is NAD produced in the body? NAD+ may be produced from the amino acids tryptophan or aspartic acid, but this process does not occur in all of our tissues. So most cells rely on the pathway called the salvage pathway for producing NAD+ from nutrients available in our foods, especially vitamin B3, which enters the salvage pathway and acts as an NAD+ precursor. Now let's mention the benefits of NAD+. While animal studies show us that raising NAD+ levels in the body may lower the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and mental decline and partly reverse the signs of aging. Raising NAD+ levels has been shown to improve vascular function in aged mice. A 2013 study has found that raising NAD+ levels can partly restore cognition in Alzheimer's mouse models. Most of the research is done on animals. Another research on mice has shown that the loss of NAD+ can lead to the degeneration of skeletal muscles. And in 2017, scientists proved that after injecting mice with vitamin B3, the NAD+ precursor, the repair of damaged DNA was done significantly faster. So most studies are done on animals, but studies have also observed that NAD+ decline is also associated with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, insulin resistance, and metabolic syndrome, as well as depressive-like behaviors, all associated with NAD+ decline. So most are animal studies. There are few studies that are done with a small amount of people, but they are very promising in their results. So now, how can we increase the levels of NAD+ in our bodies? Because we now understand that maintaining these levels are crucial for aging and our health. So oral supplementation of vitamin B3 in the form of niacin or the form of nicotinamide, the regular forms of vitamin B3 that are found in most B-complex supplements, is an option. But these forms of vitamin B3 enter the NAD+ salvage pathway, as I mentioned, and have shown to increase NAD+ levels, but they are not usually adopted because of the side effect of painful flushing sensation of high doses in the face, of high doses of vitamin B3. But don't lose hope. There are more suitable forms of vitamin B3 that do increase NAD+, but do not have the side effects. These vitamin B3 forms include nicotinamide mononucleotide and nicotinamide riboside. These two vitamin B3 forms increase the levels of NAD+, but without any side effects. All of the 4 versions of vitamin B3 that I mentioned are structurally very different, and the body processes them differently. Now, the last 2 mentioned forms of vitamin B3, the nicotinamide mononucleotide and nicotinamide riboside, have also been shown to improve multiple physiological functions in animal models when supplemented. These 2 forms of B3 are also found in foods like whey protein and brewer's yeast, which you may wish to increase consumption with aging. But of these 2, the most beneficial form of vitamin B3 is nicotinamide riboside. It's especially beneficial, and it's even well documented that it is well tolerated at therapeutic doses of even 1,000 milligrams per day with no serious adverse events occurring. Even a single dose of nicotinamide riboside stimulates NAD+ production in healthy humans. And we also see with this supplementation of nicotinamide riboside an increase in other energy-producing molecules such as adenosine and ATP. So we will have also increased energy in our body. Dietary supplementation of nicotinamide riboside also significantly improves NAD+ levels in the brain, reducing brain function decline that occurs with aging. So, all in all, to conclude, NAD+ is crucial for our health, and its effects on health and aging are very evident. When consuming foods such as brewer's yeast and whey protein, or supplementing with the most potent anti-aging form of vitamin B3, nicotinamide riboside, which I definitely recommend doing after the age of 50, then the levels of NAD+ rise and help us feel more alert, more relaxed, more energized, and more youthful even as we age. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for lots of health and nutrition information. And please feel free to comment below and let me know what you like best about this video. Also visit my website at www.thegorilladiet.com for lots of programs, books, and anything to do with health and natural living. Thank you very much for joining.